Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix ready or not corrupt data found. Please verify your installation. So if you launch ready or not and after a while you get a message that mentions corrupt data, it is most likely due to mods. If you haven't installed them, do not under any circumstances. Use the option to clear mods at startup. So there's a good chance that you will delete your mobs and recodes and still not get rid of all mods. Fortunately, the community has found a solution to this problem. So to fix this issue properly, you need to start by right clicking on ready or not in Steam. So if this is ready or not game, you need to just right click it and go to manage and then go to browse local files. Click on it and now the file location for the game will open. So after you do that, you need to go to the file location of the game, then you need to go to content, then you need to go to packs. So after you are there, just delete the files that do not have back chunk 0 to 20 windows in their names. At the very end, all you have to do is just go back to the game properties via Steam and click verify the game files option. So you need to go to Steam again, go to the game, right click it and go to properties. After that, you need to go to installed files and verify integrity of game files. Click on it and it will check all the files and if you deleted any file or corrupt any file of the game. So it will verify it, reinstall it and refresh the files. So after you do so, everything will be okay and the game will run again without any problem. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.